Hello friends, we are going to discuss about the while loop and its syntax and a simple program to print the numbers from 1 to n using while loop. The while loop has one control expression, that is a boolean expression, and it executes as long as the expression is true. The syntax of the while loop is given below. While is a keyword followed by the test condition. This is the boolean expression followed by a colon. If the condition is true, the statement within the while loop will get executed and the loop variable to be incremented or decremented. Again, the condition will be checked. Here the indentation is given which states the statements are in the scope of the while loop. So, while followed by a test condition, if this condition is true, the statement within the body of the while loop will get executed and loop variable will get incremented or decremented based on the programming logic. Again, the test condition will be checked. If it is true, the statement will get executed. So the while loop will continuously execute the statement within the body until the condition is true. The condition is false, the control will come out of the while loop. This is the simple flow diagram of the while loop. If the condition is true, body of the statement will get executed and again the condition is checked. And if the condition is false, the control will come out of the body of the while loop. That means the next statement after the body of the while loop. Write a Python program to print the numbers from 1 to n using while loop. N is the range which is obtained from the user. You will see the demo. The variable n equal to integer of input of enter the range. The input statement display the string enter the range in the user's console. When user enter the range, the input statement receives it as a string that is converted into integer by the int function and stored it in the variable n. Now I am initializing a variable I equal to 1. So this is the loop variable. Here I am writing a while loop while I less than or equal to n. Now I am printing print I followed by I am incrementing the variable I equal to I plus 1. So here initial value of I is 1. For example, I am giving n is 5. 1 less than 5, the condition is true. The control will come here and print 1 and incrementing I equal to I plus 1, I is become 2 now. To check 2 less than or equal to n. So this is true and come and print 2 and I will get incremented by 1. So I is 3. So 3 less than or equal to 5, which is true, it will print 3. And I is become 4. 4 less than or equal to 5, it will print 4. Again, it will incrementing I by 1, I equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5 is true, it will print 5. Then here I is become 6. 6 less than or equal to 5, it will come out of the while loop, it will print the number from 1 to 5. If we give any range, it will work properly. Now we will execute the program and check the result. I am giving 5. I am having a value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am running this program again. So I am giving 10. I am getting value 1 to 10. That's it. So in this video lecture, we have discussed about the basics of the while loop and its syntax and a program to print the numbers from 1 to n using while loop. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.